Scratch mixed it. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kiannamoracia and I'm back with another video. So today's video is not even about to be about the install. Today's video is going to be about how my Instagram got deleted on New Year's. And yes, you could tell that. Okay, I'm sorry, baby. That's my baby sister. But yeah, I literally woke up on the first day of January and my Instagram was gone. This is just a wig that I'm trying from Amazon. It is a 28-inch closure wig and the company is Lee Life Hair. It's 150% density. I think it is transparent lace if I'm not sure, but yeah. So back into the story of how Instagram deleted me. I woke up on, New Year's. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling happy. I'm like, let me go check my phone. The first thing that I do in the morning is check my emails for collabs. I go to my email and I see that there's an email from Instagram. So I'm like, okay, all right. It says that my account has been permanently deleted. So I rushed to Instagram because I'm like, which account? Like, was it my Finsta? Was it my backup Insta? Was it my main? They deleted my main account. Like, I was so sad. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. I was devastated. Like, I was devastated. I cried for like 2 hours. And I kept emailing them like, oh my gosh, how can I get it back? How can I get it back? And they're like, you need to send in a picture of your ID, rah, 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 because you got deleted for impersonation. And I'm like, who have I been impersonating? I've had this Instagram for 8 years. Oh, get into the braids. I look so gorgeous. Mwah. Anyways, this is the wig. After I washed the dye out of it and it bleached so well. After the knots were bleached, I actually forgot to blow dry it. So it's kind of like wet in this install, but don't mind it. Right now, I'm just putting foundation on. But yeah, back to the story. Instagram was like, you have to send in your ID and you have to send in a picture of you holding it with 2 hands and your hands have to be visible. And I'm like, bro, is this like something super classified? Why can't I just get my account back? That don't make no sense. So what they did was they sent me something over email, but they also had a section in the app where I could put it in to like verify. So I replied by email because, I'm thinking email gonna take longer. They were not replying to my emails for like, I think 8 hours. That's how long it took me to get a response. And by that time, I had already put it into the app. In the app, it said that I already submitted a picture and they made their decision. Like the second I uploaded it, they didn't even review the picture that I sent. They didn't review anything. They were like, my identity is confirmed, but I violated their guidelines. And I'm like, what guidelines did I violate? And apparently they couldn't tell me. So I literally just had to take that L and my Instagram was gone. So after my Instagram, after it was confirmed, I really can't get it back, I decided, you know what? Let me just make a new IG. Let me tell y'all what happened with my new Instagram. My new Instagram, I made it literally 5 seconds later. Instagram locked me out of it and then told me I had to verify my number, my email, all that stuff. I verified it. They let me back in. But every time people would try to follow me, they would restrict me saying oh, I'm doing this activity too much, blah, blah, blah. I need to give it a break. They do this to protect the community. At this point, I was just fed up. So it got to a point where I was like, you know what? Go follow my new IG. I only had 3,000 followers, but now I have 300. So that's pretty good for 4 days. I'm uploading this on January 4th. Yeah, it is January 4th. That's pretty good for 4 days, I will say, but I was so devastated. And now every time I try to follow people, it won't let me do it. I have to wait 2 hours before I can start following people again. It's really weird. So if I haven't followed you back, then oh well. And make sure you guys follow my new Instagram while you're at it, because I just feel like that was so unfair. I got deleted for impersonation and I've had my account for 8 years. And then they said it was because I violated some of their guidelines. I don't know what guidelines I violate. I would understand if it's my Finsta, but I didn't even post anything. I didn't even do anything yet. Y'all could wait till I did something. I would understand if I did something, but I didn't do anything. So yeah, that's how I rang in the new year. I wasn't gonna let that stop me or make me upset or anything. Pause. Look how great this lace is blending. Let's just take a minute from the story and look how great my lace is blending when I'm cutting it. And it's not even glued down. So yeah, now I'm about to spray it down. I didn't use any glue for this install. I actually just sprayed it just to see how well it would stick without it, because lately I haven't been feeling any glue. But yeah, that's how I rang in the new year. I hope y'all new year was better than mine, because literally I don't even remember my followers' usernames. I have to look at my suggested and sync my contacts and everything, because I don't remember who everybody is. So hopefully I end up getting it back. My goal is to get to probably a good amount by the end of January. I think I'll get there, but yeah. Since this isn't really an install video, I'm kind of going to be vague with the details. Yes, it's ghetto, but don't do me. I actually broke my, what's it called? My heat protectant bottle. I don't know why my mind is so foggy right now. I broke my heat protectant bottle by accident, so I poured it into the spritz bottle because it was empty. So that's what I've been using, because it was the only other bottle that I had that was free with a nozzle on it, a spray nozzle. And now I'm just attempting to do some curls. I'm not gonna lie, the first set of curls that I didn't really like them. Like, I think it's because the hair is still wet, like I said. That's why it looks crazy right now. It's gonna look better once we're done, but I had to go through each curl twice just to make sure it was fully dry, because I don't know why, but I didn't blow dry this hair. Y'all know what I just realized? I'm gonna have to change the thumbnail that's on my video. Y'all, the thumbnail that's on there is wrong. My Instagram is not kiannamoracia anymore. It is now kiannamoracia. Same like my username. I'm gonna have to change my thumbnail. Like, I really cannot believe this. I have to change everything. I even have to change my bio, because this just happened and I'm just now doing the voiceover. This happened a few days ago and I'm just now doing the voiceover because I'm finally getting back on YouTube after my very, very long break. So I'm gonna change my thumbnail. Once again, my Instagram is not kiannamoracia. My Instagram is kiannamoracia, just the same as my YouTube name. So I'm gonna put it in the description box. Make sure you guys follow. I'm also gonna put the link to this wig. I think it was like a little over $100. It didn't touch 150. It might have been close, but I'm definitely gonna put the link in there so you guys can check it out. After I finished the curls, what I decided to do was just spray them with some hairspray and then go over them with some, oil sheen just to make them look nice. I did the other side off camera, and now I'm just going to unwrap my head tie and show you guys how melted that is. This lace melted very well. I was actually surprised because sometimes transparent lace does not go so well on me. And yeah, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to follow my new Instagram if you haven't yet. I love you guys, and now let's get into the hair. I forgot what density it is, but the color is a natural black. Holds a curl pretty nice. I think I'm gonna clip it up for school tomorrow. I don't know why I decided to install a wig at 3 in the morning. If I sound sick, it's because I am sick. So don't mind my voice, because I'm trying to show y'all how the wig looks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.